Hey everyone, my name's Sam Robinson and I run a web design agency based in central Vermont called Esker Designs. And what I do is I build custom hand-coded websites for small businesses all around the country. I work in a variety of industries from contractors to therapists to real estate agents, and I work with businesses that have struggled in the past to get organic traffic to their website and qualified leads into their inbox. I have about 30 clients on a monthly retainer right now, and the reason I like to highlight this is to show people that I'm building a personal and business relationship with these businesses in which they can count on month after month. I know their names, I know their businesses, and most importantly, I'm invested in their success. And I also like to point out that the websites I'm building for them work really well. A roofing contractor that I built a website for has closed $200,000 in jobs in just the last 6 months. That's 13 jobs, no paid advertising, no fancy SEO agency, just a simple website. A fencing contractor that I'm working with has added $50,000 in revenue to his business over the last 6 months, again, with just a simple website and some basic SEO principles. Lastly, a general contractor that I'm working with in Maine has received 9 form submissions since we launched this website back in August, and one of them was a 12-unit townhome development that could add millions of dollars in revenue to his business this year. I'm not trying to brag here, but the reason I like to point this out is because most small business websites don't perform this well, and it's not because the business is bad or anything like that. It's because the website has some fundamental mistakes that could be easily avoided that are causing it to not perform to its fullest potential. When you work with me, I can help you avoid these very common mistakes and ensure that your website is acting as your #1 salesperson and bringing you qualified leads month after month. And the best part is, if you don't absolutely love the design that we come up with through this process, you don't pay a thing. You can walk away with a full refund, no strings attached. But more on that in just a minute. Here's a problem that I always see. A small business owner will spend $3,000, maybe $5,000 hiring a web designer to build them a new website on Wix or WordPress or Squarespace. And at first, everyone's happy. The agency makes some money, the business owner gets a new website, everything's fine and dandy. But after a couple months, it kind of just starts to sit there. They're not seeing a lot of calls, they're not seeing a lot of emails, and they're not seeing a lot of traffic to their website. Or an even worse case scenario, something breaks on the website. The business owner reaches out to their developer and the developer is gone. They've moved on to another company, the new developer isn't answering emails, and now you're stuck not only with a website that doesn't work, but you're on your second developer in 6 months with no one to solve your problems. I've heard this story more times than you would believe, and I honestly think it's one of the main reasons that people love working with me is because I'm a real person that they can get on the phone to solve their issues. So, in the case of the problem I described just a minute ago, what actually is going wrong with those websites? The first thing is that your website is slow. Google ranks a website's performance across 4 categories on a 100-point scale, and most Squarespace, Wix, and WordPress websites are bloated with unnecessary code, which causes them to rank very poorly on those tests and consequently be very slow. In 2021, Google officially made page speed a primary ranking factor. And the reason I like to highlight this, while it might sound boring, is that if your website is slow, Google is not going to rank it competitively. And that is a big issue. That means you're not showing up in search results, and that means customers are not finding you. The second thing is that your site looks like everybody else's. You're building a website on a platform that 50% of the internet is built on, with the same templates, same blocks, same buttons, and the only thing differentiating you is maybe some colors, maybe some font choices, and maybe some images. You're basically paying thousands of dollars to blend in with all of your competitors online. So, now you might be asking, what do I do that's so different? Well, the first thing is I've completely separated myself from any kind of page builder, and I'm coding all of my websites completely from scratch. I use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I never use templates, so every design is a completely fresh design with your own spin, your own brand, and your own story. One thing I also really like to mention is that my sites are very fast. On the Google PageSpeed Insights tests, I guarantee performance of 90 or above, but most times I can get my websites to score 98 out of 100 or 100 out of 100 for speed, which means Google is more likely to rank the sites competitively. It's simple math. If your competitor's website scores 40 out of 100 and your website scores 100 out of 100, you will appear in search results before them. And because I'm not working with a template, there's no design limitations really. We work together to identify your style, your design preferences, your dream website, and then I build that for you. By the end of this process, you will have a site that looks, feels, and sounds exactly like you and brings qualified leads to your inbox month after month. And the last reason that I would advocate for this approach is that you'll look like a professional. Your website is potentially your first impression on a given customer. And when you have a site that loads quickly, looks good while doing it, and represents your business in a professional manner, that makes an incredibly good impression on your customers, and they'll choose you over the competition every single time. Now, if you're like most people I talk to, you're probably thinking one of a few things right now. The first being, what if I already have a website? And what I like to say to that is, if you have a website, but it's not actively bringing you leads, then it's not really an asset. It's just something that you paid for once. Most websites that I redesigned didn't actually look that bad. They just weren't doing what they were supposed to do, which is drive organic traffic and bring in qualified leads. That's what a website's meant to do. And if you're using a bloated page builder like Wix or Squarespace or WordPress, or your website hasn't been updated in years, then you're not taking advantage of your best sales weapon. I can help fix that so customers can actually find you. Another one that I get frequently is, I don't have the money to spend on a website every month. And trust me, I get it. When you're a small business, which I am as well, every dollar counts. But I don't think you can look at a website as an expense. You need to look at it as an asset. Let's say this, if you earn on average $2,000 per job and you only get one job from this website, then that job has paid off your subscription for the whole year. And I can tell you from experience that the websites I build will receive far more than one website contact submission within a year. As far as I'm concerned, that's not a cost, that's an investment with a pretty clear return. And the best part is, with this model, you're not spending thousands of dollars up front to get the website. It's $0 down, and if you don't love the design, no strings attached, you get your money back. So the question from my perspective isn't whether or not you can afford a new website, it's how much is your existing website costing you by not bringing in qualified leads. So, how do we actually do this? You've decided you want to work with me. What comes next? I've developed a simple 3-step process that goes like this. First, we will have either a design questionnaire filled out or we'll hop on a call to talk it through. The call typically takes 20 to 30 minutes and I ask you a variety of questions, some about your business, some about you as a person, and we also touch on your design preferences. What kind of colors do you like? Do you have logos? Do you have a brand kit? And I always ask for some design inspiration in the form of other websites that you really like. Once I have all that information, I begin designing. I use this tool called Figma that's great for web design, and what it does, it allows me to create a full website design that you can see in extreme detail. And it takes me about a week to come up with your specific design. Once I have the design nailed down, you and I will hop on a call to review it. We'll go back and forth to make sure that you really love what you're getting. And if at that point in the process, you decide that it's not something you want to move forward with, you can walk away, no strings attached. I will refund your initial deposit. So once you approve the design, I start building it. This takes about another week or two. Since I'm hand coding everything, it takes some time. But once it's done, I send it back to you for another round of feedback. And once we get it dialed in perfectly, I send it live. From there, I host the website, I edit it for you, I manage it fully, and I'll even suggest ways we can improve it moving forward proactively. And the best part of this monthly package is I do all of this at no extra cost to you. If we have a month that's particularly edit heavy, you will never be charged over your monthly price, regardless of the amount of time I'm putting into it. When you work with me, you're not just hiring a developer. You're hiring someone that's actually paying attention to whether or not your website is working for you. Because honestly, when your business does well, that means my business does well. But hey, I get it. I'm just some guy on the internet. Don't take my word for it, but here are a few testimonials from some of the clients that I've worked with. So look, if any of this sounds like something that could benefit you or your business, give me a call, send me an email. It never hurts to ask for more information. We'll hop on a quick call or exchange some emails. I'll take a look at your existing website and I'll essentially tell you exactly what you need to do to improve your current website and start seeing more organic traffic and qualified leads in your inbox. We'll have that conversation completely free, no obligation. And if you decide you want to move forward with me, that's great. If not, then you walk away knowing exactly what you need to do to fix your website. Not too bad, right? I take on about 2 to 3 clients per month because I'm hand coding everything from scratch. It takes a lot of time. But if this sounds like something that would suit your business, I would love to work with you. Please fill out the form below this video or give me a call and we'll talk all about the next steps and get a time on the calendar sometime soon. Thank you so much. And if you've made it this far into the video, I appreciate you and I hope you're having a great day. Thanks.